Okay, you're looking at the Collision Hub Facebook page and you keep seeing posts about C-20 groups. What in the world is a C-20 group? It's Melanie. Let me show you. First, you need to go to the Collision Hub website. Go to the store and look for the category that says subscriptions. Once you're there, you'll see all 4 of our C-20 groups. We have one for estimating, insurance and customer relations, business management, and refinish. Each group is $50 a month and you can cancel at any time. But what do you get for the $50? Once you place your order, I'll send you a welcome email with all the details. The first thing you get is access to our monthly Zoom meetings. Each instructor presents on a different topic each month. The Zoom links are mailed to you 1 week before each class. But what if you can't make the live meeting? Great news. 3 out of 4 groups are recorded and emailed out as replays. You can watch the replays as many times as you need to. Your subscription also gives you access to the private Facebook page for each group. It's a great place to ask questions. All our instructors are active in their group. There's a lot of really great information on there. If you think you might be interested in all of our C-20 groups, guess what? We have an option for that. Our C-20 VIP members get the benefits of all the groups plus much, much more. Come back next week for all the VIP details.